Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Xtreme and I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of the speaker. So as you can see, the device is turned on. I'm already connected with my private smartphone, and to perform the hard reset you have to use these two buttons, the volume up and the play and the pause button. We have to click and hold them together until speaker power off. So let's make it right now. Click and hold these two buttons and keep holding. As you can see and as you can hear, the device is turned off. So right now when I'm gonna turn it on and try to connect back with my phone, this speaker will give me the new pairing request. So it means that all saved connection will just delete, restore to the defaults. So take a look. Right now I'm gonna turn it on. It will move to the pairing mode automatically when I select JBL Xtreme. As you can see, there is a new pairing request. So that's how we can perform the hard reset of this speaker. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.